ex-partner ni Dennis Padilla na si Linda Marie Gorton. Pinabulaanan ang mga pahayag ni Dennis. Tuluyan ang binasag ng ex-partner ni Dennis Padilla na si Linda Marie Gorton ang kanyang pananahimik sa mga isyu nila ni Dennis. Ang pagsagot ni Linda Marie ay nag-ugat sa mga pahayag ni Dennis sa mga nakaraang panayam sa kanya.
Separated noong 2020, so my ex-wife brought my children sa Sydney. Yung panganay ko, si Gavin, is already 11. Tapos yung bunso ko, si Maddie, is already 6. So for the past 3.5 years, doon na sila nakatira. Kaya medyo madugo ang labanan dahil medyo mahal ang child support. Dahil mahal ang dolyar eh. So ang child support ay Australian dollars din. So awa ng Diyos, I'm able to support and I'm able to send them yung kanilang monthly child support.
So yung monthly child support mo, dollars?
Australian dollars, yes. Australian dollars.
Ano lang naman, Dennis, ang sinusupport mo?
Yeah. Kasi walay na kami. So, yun. Kailangan ko silang isupport ng tuloy-tuloy at consistent kasi nag-a-apply ako ng Australian visa para madalaw sila. Pag bad shot ka sa embassy, hindi ka mabibigyan ng visa.
Pero maganda naman yung paghihiwalay niyo. No?
Yes, maayos naman. So maganda naman yung co-parenting namin and regular ko naman sila nakakausap ng video call. Pero siyempre this past 2 years talagang inaantay na ako ng dalawang bata na madalaw sila. Kaya lagi ako tinanong.
Ka talaga dun sa dalawa?
Sobra.
Ano po yung natutunan nyo sa hiwalayan nyo dito sa baby mama nyo na to? As opposed to, of course, your first.
Well,
yung character development nyo lang po.
Yung character development, madali.
Ngayon, monthly, binibigyan mo talaga.
Sige, yeah. Marami kang bagong natutunan sa buhay and kumbaga yung mga dati mong nagawang pagkakamali o pagkukulang parang sana mabawi ko this time, parang ganun. So awa ng Diyos, tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho, so tuloy-tuloy din yung support.
Sa kanyang social media account, sinabi ni Linda Marie na wala umano silang formal na pag-uusap hinggil sa pagpapalaki ng kanilang mga anak matapos sila maghiwalay noong 2020. Ayon pa kay Linda Marie, hindi tuloy-tuloy ang suporta ni Dennis sa kanilang mga anak at kinailangan pa niyang magtanong tungkol dito. Nilinaw din ni Linda Marie na kung tutuusin aniya ay lubhang maliit ang gasto sa Australia sa pagpapaaral sa mga bata dahil nasa public school ang kanilang mga anak. Ipinahayag pa ni Linda Marie na hindi tungkol sa pinansyal na aspeto ang naging problema ng kanilang pagsasama ni Dennis, kung hindi ang hindi pagkakaintindihan. Dagdag pa ni Linda Marie na natutunan niya sa kanyang karanasan ang pagpapahalaga sa sarili, pagpapasensya, pag-unawa at pagsasabi ng totoo. This post is to clarify some things the father of my kids, Gavin and Maddie, said in an interview not long ago, and what circulated around social media at that time. First of all, consistency in child support wasn't always the case. Through the years, there were many lapses in between, and many times I had to, and still have to persistently ask for it, kasi kung papabayaan ko, matagal at kulang-kulang ang padala. Because I also work here, ako ang nagpuno sa mga pagkukulang na iyon. I don't know what Madugu meant in his statement when this is what was more or less the normal expenses for the kids, even back then, when we were still living together. In fact, the support he gives to the children, when spent here, lumiliit na kasi the actual cost of living in Australia is far more expensive compared to the Philippines. And not to mention, they go to school here for free. No tuition fees are needed because they both attend a public school. So less expense for him, really. Although financial support is still big help, raising 3 children alone, especially here in Australia, where I don't get to hire people for help and has to work at the same time, is not a stroll in the park. This is common knowledge, but worth mentioning because it really is not easy. It demands a lot of physical, mental, and emotional effort. And a lot of my time for the kids is sacrificed because I need to work. But I can't complain because I love my kids dearly. I would do anything and everything maging maayos, mabuti at masaya lang sila. Secondly, we don't have a co-parenting setup because since we parted ways in July of 2020, we never had a formal conversation about our separation and how we will raise our kids. Basta nakakausap niya lang ang mga bata. Lastly, why Dennis and I separated goes beyond hindi pagkakaintindihan. It was never about financial problems. I stayed with him for almost 12 years. Mayroon man kami o walang pera. I stayed for him and I stayed for the kids because I wanted a complete family for all of us. But just like most things in life, you can't have everything you want. In the end, if there were many new things that he learned in life, just like he said, so did I. I learned more about self-worth, patience, understanding, and to only speak the truth. Si Dennis at si Linda Marie ay may 2 anak. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.